The 8th grade class at Lincoln Middle School has 93 students. Each student takes a math class, or a foreign language class, or both. There are 70 students taking a math class, and 54 students taking a foreign language class. How many 8th graders take only a math class, and not a foreign language class? The choices are 16, 23, 31, 39, and 70. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Every student takes math, or a foreign language, or both, so the total of 93 students is the number in at least one class. If we simply add the 70 math students and the 54 foreign language students, we get 124. But that's larger than 93, because the students who take both classes have been counted twice. By the inclusion-exclusion principle, the number taking both classes equals math plus foreign language minus the total. That is 70 plus 54 minus 93, which equals 31. So 31 students take both a math class and a foreign language class. Finally, the students who take only a math class are the 70 math students minus the 31 who also take a foreign language. 70 minus 31 equals 39. So 39 8th graders take only a math class. Choice D.